All right, guys. So I'm gonna do a recap. What a week, guys! What a week for the market, and yeah, has been amazing. Yeah. So the SPY had its worst week since financial crisis. I mean, almost 10% in a week. So 21st at 334, and now we're at 288. So that is an amazing drop on the SPY, and it's still there's not a lot of sign of strength here. So the market, because of the coronavirus, is getting interesting. So the back, if you come back in summer 2019, we were around yeah, we were around 280, 283. So these are the levels that we have, and the SPY is just struggling down there today. It's kind of, as I mentioned, when we break when you're breaking the 200 moving average, this is called a bear market. So you are just in the territory of short sellers and stuff. So we are in a bear market right now. SPY is down another 3%. It might recover during the day. We'll see how it goes in the afternoon. But for me, AMD was just it. AMD was a trade that I traded at the open. So right at the open, and it was a pretty awesome day. So for me, as you know, guys, AMD was also down 5-6%. AMD got really beaten up on a daily chart. When the market started selling off, AMD from $60 came down to 42. So it just kind of leveraged the market coming down. So it was really beaten up, AMD. And it's a good company. I mean, it's not a company that deserves to be beaten up like that. So having that at the open market opened strong. So I usually wait for a minute, but I was just so confident in this move that I jumped in at 41.62. Again, it was just so strong volume of buying coming with the strong level 2 signal. I just jump in, sold, and then in this pullback I added more again. Now this is a 1 minute opening range breakup. Again, if you were not really trading in the first minute, this would have been my second trade, would have been a long opening range breakup. So I jumped right at the open, long, sold, added more, sold, and this pullback to the VWAP, my stop loss was at the break even. So it's all one trade. So that was the long, that was the add, sold, and then pullback, my stop loss was at the break even. Get back in there long again, 42.20 all the way up to 43.32. I was hoping to get to this moving average, sold. I was holding it, and the last piece I think I got out at the break even here point. Yeah, when it dropped here, I just got out here at the break even point, and then it sold off, came below the VWAP, and I was watching it to see what's going on, and I just I saw it, what's going on, and same as market also. Let me bring the SPY for 1 minute as well here in the chart so you guys can see it. So that's exactly trade with the market. So here at around 10:05, the huge squeeze candlestick showed up, and that's exactly the same time that at around 10:05, this huge squeeze candlestick. So I thought, okay, the SPY is reversing, and maybe AMD is a good long. So I went long here, and I messed up a little bit here. So I went long, got out long again, popped up, sold some, long again, and I got out. So a little of messy here. This area I really didn't do anything. I wasn't confident on that. But as soon as the volume came in and the squeeze happened, I jumped back in there at 42.60 for the move all the way up to, as you see on the 5-minute chart, that, yeah, so jump back in there, sold all the way up to 43. We did crack the low of the high of the day, but we never really hit to the moving average. And the last piece I got out the break even. So I traded the heck out of the AMD. A little bit of a Christmas tree here. I mean, this area was a consolidation area. I shouldn't really jump in. I didn't lose money. I just commission getting in and out. But yeah, I traded the heck out of AMD on ABCD pattern. So that's ABCD pattern, and that it could have been a 5-minute opening range breakup or 1 minute opening range breakup. We just traded that. Well, yeah, so markets, what's going to happen to the market, nobody really knows, but stock is down 3%, so let's see what does in the afternoon. But that was an amazing trading. So let me see if I have anything else to mention that to you. Yeah, one thing that I want to mention that to you guys, and this is a very humble request, that we are launching a new website, and our new website is actually really nice. So this weekend probably we're gonna launch it. So if for a day or half a day our website is not accessible, just accept the apology from us. We're working on that. It might be unavailable for a couple of hours, maybe half a day. So if you can't find it, we apologize for that. Um, one request that we have is we want to put some testimonial from people on that. So if you can take just a picture from your setup and submit a testimonial for us, it's on Bear Traders Review. So if you go there into this website, you can just whoops, sorry. Where is that? Submit a review. Oh, here. So yeah, so if you can go to that submit a review, so something like that. I mean, behind your setup, if you have the book or a logo or something that shows the authenticity, that would be nice. I mean, that small paragraph, that would be nice. So I really, really appreciate if you guys can do that. You don't even have to use your real name. You can just use anything here. And yeah, so this would be on our new website. We love that. And your honest words, that means a lot. That goes a very, very long way. So that's one thing that I wanted to mention that to you guys, that if you can do. Another thing is that another idea is that I want to have a national meetup in Vancouver, and later we want to have that discussion with you guys, and maybe we send a. So a lot of people are asking us a national meetup, and I was thinking that instead of having it in Vegas or Orlando and all of those places, come to Vancouver. We can find a good day. Vancouver is it's my hometown. Brian lives here, and it's very cheap for Americans because of the this US dollar. There's no visa requirement, and it's a very beautiful country. If you come and you see Vancouver, it's just beautiful, mountains and ocean and everything. And it's my hometown. I can actually show you my city and Brian as well. So we want to have a schedule like starting from Wednesday. Everyone arrives. We can have a dinner with all of the families. I'll pay for the dinner. You bring your families as well. Thursday and Friday we can have a trading space. Rented, we trade all together, mentorship, trade review and stuff, and then Friday again do the same thing. Maybe we can bring some guest speakers and workshops and drinks and party. I mean, they definitely can do party as well. And then Saturday we can actually do sightseeing and hiking and stuff. So these are what we can do is so we start from 5 o'clock in the morning, a group breakfast, pre-market show, trading live together, and the market it closes by 1 p.m. So and 1 p.m. you still have the whole day. If it's summer, you have almost another day to just enjoy with your family and drink, run, gym and stuff. So because I mean that's amazing. And so I'm gonna probably send a questionnaire for you. That's what are exactly content you're looking for, what between May to September when Vancouver is nice, when you're actually looking for that. So what's the best time, what exactly you want to looking for to get out of the money, workshop, seminar. Do you want external speaker, who do you want it be, and how much you want to willing to pay for that. I mean, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, because I want to have it a not-for-profit. I mean, that sounds like a crazy idea, but I don't want to make any money out of this event. We can have a price point for it, and everything that is left, we can actually give it to a charity of our choice. We can, I really want to, if they cover the cost of the venue and dinner and food and stuff, I want to donate to maybe traders for a cause, or maybe we can find a charity together and then actually put that charity, because I don't need the money from it. I don't want to make $2,000, $5,000 out of that. But that would be nice if we can actually, the whole Bear Traders, for our learning community, we can, whatever that is money is left, we can actually give it to. So it would be a travel. You come with your friends and families. It would be a travel. It would be one of the most beautiful cities in the world. You would be definitely my guest. And I think that demand that would be really, people want to have a national meetup would be nice. Anyway, so we'll send an email for you about that. So keep an eye on the email. But if you can submit this review, that means a lot for us. So unfortunately, we didn't get a lot of reviews. I don't know. Maybe people don't like it, don't like us. I don't know, for any reason. But thank you so much if you do this for us. I know it just takes time, but a picture like that, it doesn't have to be a high quality picture. Anything that shows the genuine shape of our community. Other than that, how's your 401k doing, guys? With this market dropping 15% in a week. I'm gonna go to the off-topic chat. So the national meetup would be not you shouldn't be very beginner. You should be at least know how to trade and stuff. So because you want to get most stuff out of your event. So if you're just starting, I mean, Katie, you probably can do it by September. So let me go to off-topic chat. Anyone? Amen Traded short NVIX. Beautiful trade at 1680 all the way down to 1580. Beautiful trade. Amen. So you probably made money, enough money than a doctor in Russia makes in a quarter. I didn't know doctors are getting paid so low in Russia, because Ayman is a medical student and he told me that so beyond so popped up at the open, you short cover, beautiful. That's amazing trading. It's amazing trade. You can you guys, you can share your losses as well. I mean, you don't need to just show always. So that's the pop and apple at 10 o'clock. Yeah, so long that's the one that I traded AMD. Thor, this is a trade that Thor took. He went 259, pop, sold. You added more, sold. You got to stop out, and then you went back long again. Beautiful trading. Nice. Jay recently moved to options. Yeah, so you shorted here. You put 1127 covered. At 13. Yeah, so when the price drops, the puts are getting to value. $400 and a $220 investment. Nice, very nice. Yeah, trading options on higher prices are very capital efficient. Nice, Jay. Very nice, beautiful. Rishi from Seattle. So big, you went long. Yeah, getting parabolic 16, 5 minute opening range breakup, and just beautiful $17. There's Rishilia, one of the very older traders that we have. So that where is that? TVIX, you just jump from 118 all the way to 120 on TVIX. What is that? What else? San Francisco, sorry. Near, what did you do near? We looked at near trade. Shahab, he's an engineer in Boeing. He's responsible for 737 MAX. 276 Boeing. Oh, you're trading Boeing. Oh, nice. What is the AMD doing? AMD, you went short here, you got a squeeze, but you flipped your position. So that's a stop loss. I mean, that's a stop. So you went short, which is not a bad short below the VWAP, but you got a squeeze. That's like around 10 o'clock when the squeeze happened. This is the area that I went long. So yeah, you flipped your position long, and then you added more, sold, and then you added more, sold. Beautiful trading. Beautiful trading. Very nice. Kenneth, what did you do? But big short, wow. Yeah, so you didn't get filled here. So that's a parabolic short. Short all the way down to here to nothing. Mickey, very nice trading. What you do? You went long, you got to stop out. That's good. No, that's very good. Fayaz. Oh my God, Fayaz, what did you do? Yeah, that's the second trade long that I had on AMD. Sorry. Second trade long AMD 42 all the way up to 43.30. Beautiful trading. Very nice, guys. Very nice. And yeah, so just I just wanted to, well, let's see what Oleg did. Oleg is also one of our traders that has done that. mRNA long, yeah, 1 minute opening range breakup, beautiful piece, and then you went short. Added more, hold it true, and then beautiful drop here. Wow, really nice, guys, really nice. Great, guys, great. So thank you so much for this. Let's go back to main chat. Perfect. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Brian just long went iBio. iBio went long. Oh. Yeah, so Brian went at 250 and then sold at 270. Nice. That's a nice drop. That's a nice move. Yeah, that one is also really moving. All right, guys, have a good day, have a good weekend, and hopefully we have another volatile week next week. It's been great. This week has been amazing, guys. Cheers.